In this video, I will show you how to use a Klarna one-time card. This card lets you shop on websites that may not have Klarna built in and still pay later. First, go to Google and search for Klarna one-time card. Then click on the official link from Klarna. You will land on the page that explains how the one-time card works. Scroll a bit and you will see the steps. Next, sign into your Klarna account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. After you sign in, click on Create One-Time Card. Klarna will ask you to enter the total purchase amount, including shipping and taxes. Enter the amount you plan to spend. Klarna will then run a quick approval check to confirm your spending limit and available payment options. Once approved, Klarna will generate a temporary card number for you. This is a virtual card. Copy the card details, then go to the store where you want to shop and paste the card information at checkout, just like you would with a regular Visa card. Complete your purchase and Klarna will handle the payments according to the schedule you select. That's it. That is how you use a Klarna one-time card to shop anywhere online and still use Klarna's pay over time options. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more guides.